NASA 227 MAR. So this is how it does the job. Instead of CO2 around 18 kg, this is only 4.4 kg weight, 35 kg pressure, 7 kg pressure. Generally, valve is the one which is normally when getting leaked out. This is a problem, not in India, worldwide is a problem. So when you dismantle the valve, there is a rubber ring, spring, plunger. These are the components are there, and including Germany valve also, you will find the same components. Now the problem is when the spring is all the time under pressure, there is a metal fatigue developed, and after some time, 2, 3, 4, 5 months, 1 year, it gets metal, it's lost the strength. At the same time, the rubber also has a limited life. Though in your car there is no puncture, but after 15-20 days you need to inflate. There is this is the valve developed wherein there is no rubber ring, no spring, there is no plunger. So all the components which are responsible for the leakage of the extinguisher has been totally eliminated. And now this is a new valve developed for the first time in the world, which is not getting leaked out. So it is maintaining the pressure without cartridge. So no cartridge, still it is maintaining the pressure. And it is also accepted by internationally by this. Which can be controlled very comfortably simply by using NASA 227 MA. So simple, any a lady also can manage to control. That's very important. So and the nozzle, this is a common nozzle design. We have this different design altogether. So no, there is a big angle. So correctly able to action is target is very simple. If this is done instantaneously, entire premises can be saved. Otherwise, if the instrument doesn't respond because of outdated technology, there was a big issue. So we have developed an instrument which is the solution for a first aid, which is responding instantaneously without any maintenance for 10 years. So these are the various components designed from 350 grams to around 50 kg. And this is the one which, if you see this is also one important product which is known as this spill kit. नहीं चालू से तो क्या तो मैंने देखा हो ना देखा तो अच्छा ओके हाँ this is the extinguisher. Can you see this? This is the extinguisher made, and it is a total stainless steel body SS304, and this valve is so designed that it is not going to leak out, and this is having the this looks like a plastic, but it's not a plastic. It is also SS304, and it is having multiple holes inside, so there is no way it is going to choke up, and this is not 90 degree. It is a curvature, so easily it can flow. So this is how it is made like. And there is one spill kit also made below like that. Slide presentation.
Yeah, Rahul bhai, are you able to connect with your slide or still you are facing problem?
So this is how there is a currency. This also can be used instantaneously on the react to. So after using this, the currency remains same, and you can use the currency. So there is no side, there is no impact to it. It can be saved. And non-conductor 100 kV power supply on. 100 kV power supply you can use it.
Dr. Rohit, I am having a query related to this product you are showing that you can apply on powered equipment. So, is it right to apply this type of extinguisher in powered on condition?
Yeah, it is 100 kV power supply. You can still use it.
No, but my question is that where is the need to involve a personal life in threat by applying this on a live equipment?
Yeah. Suppose if the power is on, you can use this.
Why? My question is why?
Equipment
Equipment is important than a human life.
definite human life is important, but suppose by mistake somebody does it, so then even if the person commit a mistake, instrument is so designed that it is going to save the human life.
No, in my opinion, you should not encourage such type of video because it will gives false sense of safety. Your NASA equipment is there, okay, he will apply, he will not get hurt. If PASA extinguisher is there, he will pass away.
That is different. That's different part.
So please
You are right.
please don't encourage such type of video, so that in Indian context people are very less aware about the fire safety. If we are showing such type of video, they will seems like a thrill.
Okay.
That is my
Anyway,
submission to you.
I appreciate. It will be taken care of, but this is the new technology developed. So they currently people are not aware of. So they, even if there is a water extinguisher, they pick up and they try to use it and they get killed. So here that is not the case. Even if he commit a mistake, nothing to be worried about. He's safe. So this is a new technology.
One
That's
more,
what the
one more thing I want to add. Even though you are not convincing, there is a specified guideline how much kV voltage a person need to be maintain safe distance, otherwise it will automatically stick up with that equipment due to current. Even though your equipment is safe, but human body can easily come in contact within that particular distance of equipment kV. You need to go through the Indian Electricity Act, which is specifically mentioned how much distance minimum you need to be maintained with such type of equipments.
okay. Anyway, this is basically I'm focusing on first aid development. So whatever first aid remedies were there so far, these are the new technology developed, which is giving some solution to the existing technology available. That is the idea behind this.
Yeah,
However, what you say,
you are right, but still, please look into the matter and rethink, give thought process again, and then only show such type of video.
okay, okay,
Okay.
okay. So now this is the standard way of everywhere where I go. They use number of extinguishers. They hang
Now
in railways. Where
Rahul Shah is ready, so we should have given time to him. So
okay,
Dr. Prohit, we will hold
yeah.
your presentation here because Rahul Shah is willing to deliver his presentation. Please
Please,
allow
Rahul,
him.
go ahead.
Yeah.
Please, Rahul, go ahead.
Present now.
Yeah, go
Your
ahead.
entire screen. Yeah.
Based for video, yes, I'm going ahead. Your entire screen or a tab based for video and animation? Which one?
Dr. Prohit, you can
Okay,
off your video,
But I
then they
think-
will get good signal.
Okay, okay.
Now your screen is visible, Raut bhai.
Yeah. Is it visible, sir?
Yeah, now visible. You can go ahead.
Okay. So, sir, this is a video. This is a video for a test designed by Mr. Abhay Purandare for a tire fire test, which we see internationally and listen that it is a difficult fire due to the nature of fuel and the way the combustion happens and the kind of heat and the toxic fumes are emitting and the kind of problems the world is facing. So my attempt was here to demonstrate that how Achuk performs on such kind of synthetic products, mainly rubber and other, which are involving highly carcinogenic fumes, and they can really create havoc in a small quantity. You can see 8 tires is not a big quantity, but you can see it everywhere. And the kind of engagement of the fire and the time it takes is so fast. You can see that the smoke is almost cut off the sunlight from the other end. You can see that the whole tower is post is not visible due to the smoke. So Mr. Abhay had given me this challenge to put out this fire. I had attempted it with a 2.5-inch hose and a normal water spray nozzle. So here you just notice the smoke and the time required to remove the black smoke, which also means that the combustion has drastically been captured, and what is happening is that the temperature is also coming down, you can see the white smoke means that the tire combustion has almost been managed within a few seconds and with ease. We are using here 4.5% concentrate of Achuk composition. Even with lesser quantity, this is possible because Achuk does not mean that you need force to put off the fire because Achuk is a composition along with water. It is not necessary to use force, high pressure with Achuk, but with conventional available firefighting equipments, we are trying to demonstrate. So you can see it within 1.18 minutes or say 80 seconds, the fire for 8 tire fire was put off. So this is just to give you a visual picture of what is happening. You can see on the left bottom that the white color of that which has settled on the tire has cut off the oxygen also. The water along with that has been able to cool the tire fire instantly, and due to the cover, the carcinogenic and toxic mutating these oxides are put off. You can see certain, I can pause it for you if you just want, what kind of involvement was there in the fire. Here it was, weight of the tire was 77.3 kg. After the fire was put off, the weight was around 59.2 kg. The total extinguishing agent that was used was 120 liters and the time was used as 80 seconds. So this is what my first slide is all about. I will share another slide. Can you see the slide, sir?
Yeah, visible. Please,
Sir,
full
this is
screen.
just
Do it full screen.
full screen. Just a minute. Sir, it is readable?
Yeah, it is not readable. You can explain it because in mobile the letter seems not readable, but you can explain
Okay,
it.
okay. Is it okay now?
Yeah, it is okay, sir. It is okay.
Sir, okay, so this, what is Achuk? Sir, we tell it that it is an unbeatable firefighter. Why we tell it that? Achuk is the latest patented, innovative, unique firefighting composition which promises to bring forth a transformation by its ability to eliminate fire swiftly, safely, and with no harmful effects to the environment. How it is dispensed? It is a very simple way to dispense this. You have seen the video, and it can be dispensed through equipments such as trucks, airplanes, handheld extinguishers, etc. What it does is it annihilates the smoke and is cost effective by virtue of being environmental friendly and offers an unbeatable solutions to fight fire. By eliminating the fire instantly, it prevents rekindling of the fire. It is non-toxic and it does not eliminate any smoke because itself Achuk does not combust. It does not have any odor like its other counterpart. It does not harm air, water and soil, and it has got, the biggest feature is that it has got unlimited shelf life. And I will explain you when anybody has a question, but we'll do it in a quick way so that later on we can discuss some points. This is also suitable for solid and liquid fires. Particularly right now, our research has been successfully practiced on class A fires. And once we develop the mist systems with Achuk, then we are also good for liquid fires. For small liquid fires, we are good even today. But we are not claiming it because we want the instruments to be developed. One of the instruments which I have adapted is in association with NASA. NASA Fire Technology has developed an extinguisher with a valve which is particularly suitable for Achuk. One of the biggest feature of Achuk is also that it is a high temperature resistant composition wherein the chemical does not combust at even 1200 to 1500 degrees centigrade temperature. And it is available, it is a versatile medium that is depending on what kind of fuel fire it is, we can adapt it to suit to class D fire or class A fire as of now. So the major applications of Achuk are intended Is there a technical fault in between?
Yeah, Rohit bhai, off your video. Off
Rahul
your
bhai, Rahul
video,
bhai, pause your
signal
video.
might be better if you off your video.
Yeah. Which is the white? Yes, sir. Rahul bhai, you can put off your video off so that better clarity will be there with the screen sharing. Okay, sir. Yeah. So
If
this is
you are
another
not able,
challenge.
then there is no issue, you can continue. Otherwise, one more problem will be created.
Yes, yes, because next time I will be more adept with it. So another is the coal stock fire, which we are also working for the coal mine fires, because particularly Achuk has got those features which are more suitable to coal fires and has a lot of saving. We have senior experts like Mr. Dr. Rakesh Chaturvedi, who have witnessed this. And also we are very suitable on structure fires, which are we are seeing day-to-day fires, which are confined to buildings of all kinds, from historical to modern buildings. I have the advantage of being an architect and in practice for 30 years. So I have the visualization of what goes behind the structures and what happens when a fire happens, particularly with all kind of surfaces, that is horizontal surface, vertical surface, and ceiling surface. Achuk basically also sticks to the ceiling or the wall. So it does not flow just like or drops down without creating action. It can just act on any surface, on any ceiling or floor, or even concealed fire, which is difficult to access. I have just created a small graphics for everybody to understand. On the left, you can see scene 1, which is I am talking of class A fuels as of now. The class A fuel which is burning, which is at the bottom, and you can see some flame. What I am graphically indicating is that the flame has this black color smoke, and the drops which are of sky blue color are the drops of Achuk. So what happens immediately as the drops of Achuk? What happens is that you can see the flame will immediately subside to a very minute level due to the multi-action of Achuk in synergy with water by enhancing the cooling properties of the water, which are very micron in size. Achuk particles are around 70 microns in size. It's a physical action of a chemical. It is making the droplets more reinforced with the cooling capability and does not allow the drops to escape without working on the surface of the fire. Due to this, you have a coating on the surface, and which you can see on the third scene that there is a film on the surface of the fire, and this is why the Achuk drops will reduce the smoke, because the oxygen is cut off, the cooling has been enhanced, and due to the coating, the adjacent fire where the firefighters are moving and trying to cover up other fires, that fire will not come to this surface because there is already a coating which will resist the heat to even touch that surface and start the reignition. So this is how the Achuk concept works, and that is why Achuk basically covers all the three aspects of the fire triangle, which is everybody we know since 1940s and 50s, and much before that. The fire triangle is a very easy tool to understand the fire, but when you come to fire elimination, most of the chemicals either put off the oxygen away or just do the cooling, or it removes the fuel, just in case of forest fires where they try to remove the dry material so that the fire does not proceed. So this kind of technology gives you instantaneous elimination and thereby saving firefighters' efforts and the risk involved in fire, because whenever you have a fire, the biggest part is to bring it down instantly, and most importantly, these drops of achuk, each drop of achuk has a very good performance, and that is why we are going for this drop technology and understanding the science of the drop and minutely observing what is happening to the surface. And once we are able to see it in minute level, we are able to do some science on it, and then that's how we can enhance the cooling property of water and coating of achuk particles. I'll share you another small side. So here I am showing you a bit of journey of achuk and how we basically attempt to bring the safety to the world of fire by eliminating class A fire, particularly because we have been doing this research since last 7 years, and our maximum experiments have successfully been performed on class A fuels. We will do that further for other types of fire. So basically, we are telling that the problems of the fire, we all know, you are experts, I don't need to tell you what the problems of the fire are. And also the existing approach, everybody is knowing either it is a chemical or either it is water. You all know why water, high pressure is required, and all the things associated with water, and the collateral damages also you know, and even the cost effectiveness of water in easy availability of water as on date. But you also know the drawbacks of water. Same way, you also know what the MAP does or the chemical does. You also know that the small tools which are there, for 2 liters, even MAP is okay, but because it is ABC fire, but problem with today's context is that we do not have oil-based heaters that which were there in the foreign countries when the MAP was invented over there. They had the problem of wooden houses heated with oil heaters, and they had electrical systems which were run without the MCBs and ELCBs of the present day technology. So MAP was successful over there. Now I come to achuk. Why I say that achuk is an unbeatable firefighter? Because it cuts off the oxygen, cools the burning material, and extinguishes the fire without itself being combusted, which is the biggest advantage. It covers the surface to retard the rekindling of the fire under extreme and high temperatures. That means that you are very sure that you are not going to get surprises, particularly due to the failure of any chemicals which can resist temperatures exceeding 450 degrees centigrade. Because nowadays synthetic materials, particularly the rubbers, the polypropylene, the vinyl, the architects are using, which I am also aware of, that all kind of veneers and all kind of foam, rubber, and everything goes into these modern day houses, which were used earlier in airplanes only. So now what is happening is we have a very bigger challenge. I don't want to go into the depth what kind of challenges are there. You all know what achuk does. It eliminates the fire, does not generate smoke, it has no emissions, it does not pollute air, does not harm soil, and it is a high temperature resistant. It is delivered with water under conventional mechanisms or the tools available in the market, and it does not pollute water, neither it has any odor, neither it is a non-toxic, and it is unrivaled as far as fire elimination is concerned worldwide. How it does that, I have just tried to explore the fire triangle and tried to graphically explain my idea on how it does it. What it does is, between the fire and the oxygen, it provides a cut, and that is how the fire triangle is broken. And simultaneously between oxygen and it also cools, and that is how it also cuts the fire triangle, and simultaneously it covers. So you can see that the triangle is fully dismantled, means you have more reliability on the extinguishing part of the fire exercise, or you can say the attempt by the firefighter to put off and overcome the fires. The other advantages of achuk are that it has no ozone depletion as long as as compared to other. It has no carcinogens. It is a non-combustible chemical. It is non-toxic and non-reactive because it is not even reacting to reactive chemicals, which is a bigger challenge in chemical industries. It has no asbestos, and it is non-corrosive, and it is inorganic in nature. It has no perfluorocarbonic acid because it does not change the surface tension of water. The idea is not about how it alters the water. The idea is about what it does on the fire. Because when you change the water property properties or change the surface tension of the water, which popular foams and constant research have done. The water particularly does not remain water at all. So what will happen when it goes to the rivulets and the water streams and the earth? So I never wanted to have a chemical which actually causes problems later on. Before use, it may not have a problem because it is scientifically packed. During the use, it may have a little bit problem, but against the intensity of the problem of the fire, one may want to put it aside or not be so much concerned. But recently we have seen that due to foam use in the Surat, one of our friendly senior fire officer had got burn injuries because of many of the challenges when you use certain kind of foams. It does not also have a VOC or does not have any hazards. No greenhouse gases are there. It works on all the three aspects which I already told. I don't want to repeat it further. Same way I have also said you what kind of fires it works. It also works on dump site fires, which we have done successfully in Goa. We have also got a good certificate from Mr. Menon, where the dump site fires are a solid, challenging mix of Class A material having huge toxicity issues of the city. We basically, India is suffering chronically from this kind of fires. They are either not being put off due to the several reasons. Whatever the reasons are, these kind of fires needs to be stopped because the pollution which is causing our dear citizens, of our Indian citizens, our brothers, sisters, families. Constant pollution is there, which is not at all tolerable. Same way, we are having also successfully demonstrate a local train demo cabin fire, and we have demonstrated how a cabin fire can be contained with Achuk fire extinguisher, which is an instrument from NASA fire extinguisher and charged with Achuk, and we have given them they are putting the label powered by Achuk, and they are available in the market. They are basically very good for the train fires also. Similarly, large fires, we can use fire trucks, a mini fire truck vehicle to dispense and stop all these big fires which take hours and hours to put off, rather than Achuk which can do it in minutes. So I would say that what kind of fires being are put off in days time can be put out in hours, and what are put in hours we can try to put it out in minutes. That is the kind of action which Achuk can deliver. Same way, the industrial fires, many solid chemicals which are right now not being able to put off due to their high volatility and gases, combined with several other emission problems and challenges and heat. These can also be put off by Achuk if they are solids. Right now, solvents and other things we are not come up with. We will be soon coming up with. R&D is going on. So what is basically the concept behind Achuk is to deliver social impact, economic impact, and environmental impact. All of you know what kind of social impacts fires leave, and then what kind of economic losses are there, and what kind of impact environmental. Share them for the industry. Right now, we are able to, what products we have been successfully done is fire extinguisher. You can get it in totes, you can get it in cylinders. As I want to repeat, it has no limitations of shelf life. So once you buy, you don't need to worry. Your money is not going to get wasted unless you have a fire. You just keep it packed. You can use it you can make it as a tank on your plant or a building, or you can use it in a vehicle, small vehicle. So it's a very versatile thing. You can also use it from a Bambi bucket from a helicopter. And where can the Achuk be used? You can visualize what kind of customers or what kind of companies can be getting benefited due to this kind of inert and non-toxic fire chemical. And you can also see we have also included coal mines and coal stockyards, thermal power plants, and cement steel parks where massive losses are there due to a small industry will run into crores of rupees, and the kind of smoke which is coming out is so mutagenic that the next generation babies are born with DNA defects. So we need to stop these tire fires. We need to stop these coal fires which are causing TB. Around 50 kilometers of area is affected around coal mine, which is due to the emissions of SO2 and
Rahul bhai, please make it fast. We are running short of
this is
time.
the last slide. This is the last slide. Some of our efforts are being recognized. The case studies are there. We have also done the fire test at a coal stockyard, which you can see. And we have some images for that. Here are the tire images, which are just showing what is the impact of achut compared to water. You can see here even a fire extinguisher, what is the difference in time. Few certificates from our fire friend officers who have Onsodo, which I handled instantly, and I have got a very nice acknowledgement report from Mr. Ashok Menon also. There are these patents which I have taken. We have been granted patents in India.
हेलो हाँ जगदीश भाई बोलो
सर 1 सेकंड चाहिए, 5 सेकंड चाहिए सर, सिर्फ 5 सेकंड चाहिए आपकी।
हाँ
आपकी जो ये अपना गैलेक्सी वाली जो मैन पावर की जो अप्रूवल है ना, वो बड़े बिग बॉस के पास है, तो
हाँ।
उनके यहाँ से एक क्वेश्चन आया था
हाँ
कि भाई ये आपने सर्विस कॉन्ट्रैक्ट क्यों नहीं किया है। तो हमने उसको लिखा है, काइंडली नोट इट्स अ पॉइंट बेस्ड रिक्वायरमेंट वेयर बाय मैन पावर आर हायर्ड अकॉर्डिंगली, यानी कि आपको ये पॉइंट पे चाहिए तो वो तो चाहिए ही चाहिए,
हाँ हाँ
बरोबर। तो रिप्लाई मैंने ये बनाया है।
नहीं मैं समझा नहीं मैन वो क्या कह रहे हैं
वो बोल रहे हैं कि आप सर्विस कॉन्ट्रैक्ट पे क्यों नहीं जा रहे, मैन पावर पे क्यों जा रहे हो।
हाँ तो ये सर्विस प्रोवाइडर सर्विस ही तो दे रहा है उसके मैन पावर है वो मैन पावर से सर्विस दे रहा है ना हमको तो
हाँ, तो इसका जस्ट इसके लिए मैं आपसे
ठीक
बता रहा हूँ कि
ठीक
ताकि अगर आपको भी पूछे तो एक ही अपन दोनों एक ही उस पे।
नहीं दोबारा बताना क्या क्या बोला क्या लिखा है आपने
उनका क्वेश्चन ये है, मैं बताता हूँ
हाँ
कि एनी रीजन व्हाई वी आर लुकिंग एट मैन पावर कॉन्ट्रैक्ट इंस्टेड ऑफ सर्विस कॉन्ट्रैक्ट,
अच्छा हाँ हाँ
बरोबर। तो मैंने ये लिखा है कि काइंडली नोट इट्स अ पॉइंट बेस्ड रिक्वायरमेंट वेयर बाय मैन पावर आर हायर्ड अकॉर्डिंगली, कि भाई मेरे को 10 पॉइंट है तो 10 मेरे को बंदे चाहिए ही चाहिए।
हाँ 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 अच्छा अच्छा
However, for compliance, this order is placed and billed as service contract।
ठीक
फ्रंट में तो दिखाते हैं ना फायर सर्विस करके,
हम्म
वो तो भाई वो उनका दोनों जवाब दे दिया है।
ठीक है ओके ओके
ठीक है ना, मीन्स आपको फोन आया तो ये बोलने का, हाँ भाई मेरे को जो पॉइंट पे चाहिए वो बंदा तो चाहिए ही चाहिए।
हाँ 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 ठीक
ठीक है ना सर।
ओके ओके